Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, right, for another video. So today, joined by mum today. So we're now, I've wanted to come to this place for quite a while now. So we're walking what's called the Roe Green Loopline. Now this is very similar to the Linenshaw Loopline I did, you know, Blackleach Country Park, one I did quite a while back. So this is an old railway line. Just show you, just round now. So it's an old railway line, and you can see it's just dead straight. Ran from Manchester Victoria to Bolton, dating back to about 1870. Unfortunately, closed in the mid 60s. The mid 60s, when things were changing with the motorways and everything. So we're gonna. It's roughly about 4.5 miles. I think it's about 5 miles one way. So about maybe 10-mile journey today. I don't know whether we'll do all of it, but we'll give it a whirl. We might do 3 miles, something like that. Get some, you know, some photos and things, and yeah, show you what it's all about. And it's like tarmac path as well. So it's great. So hopefully that's today's video.
Good for cycling.
Yeah, good for cycling as well. Walking, running, cycling. All that. Yeah. So hopefully that's today's video. Nice sunny day for it as well. Smash a like and subscribe. So as you can tell there's a big, I don't know if you can tell, there's like a big steep drop down there, and there's one on the other side, so you can tell it's been raised up in the middle, so you can tell actually where the railway line was. So we're just going to keep following down, hopefully get to little Hulton. What do you reckon, Mum? Little Hulton? So we've started from Monton, we're going to go right to Little Hulton. I think we might only do a few miles. We'll see how it goes. So this is a 1950s railway map, courtesy of disusedstations.org.uk. So this is the Roe Green Loopline, but was originally the London North Western Railway that ran from Manchester Manchester Victoria, via Monton Green, Worsley, Walkden Low Level. Just before we get to Walkden Low Level, and Walkden High Level is in use today. Just on the map there, you get to a split. Now to the left is the Tisler Loop Line, which I'm going to do a video in the future. So it's so just after we Walkden Low Level is Little Hulton, Plodder Lane, Farnworth, and then Bolton Trinity Street, operated like say by the London North Western Railway Company. And company closing was the British Rail London Midland region. So a key function of these lines was to support the surrounding collieries in conjunction to the Bridgewater Canal. Now the Bridgewater Canal was just south of the railway, that running down into Manchester. So it was the largest of which was at Mosley Common, one of the biggest pits in the UK at its prime. So we're just approaching this bridge just behind us, which is Worsley Road, the A672. Look at this tunnel, it's fantastic. Yeah, fantastic. One thing I didn't mention on my vlog was it actually goes from Monton, the Roe Green Loopline from Monton, right the way to Bolton. Don't know if we're going to go right that little way. Might only go to Little Hulton or even to Walkden, but it's been rebuilt, this tunnel. Wow, I can't even see me. Right, so we've just passed the sign, just a few yards back there, that says we're a kilometre away from Roe Green, but we're about less than that now, just about over half a mile away. We're just going to go under the motorway. There's a motorway now, so we'll catch up when we get to Roe Green. And I think we're going to stop for some lunch as well. So, picnic. Have a picnic, yeah. So I've just come off the trail, just back down there. We're now in Roe Green. Just come to this quite a little field here. It's quite nice actually.
Recreation.
Yeah.
I think it's like a little park.
Yeah, a little park area, isn't it? Yeah. That's nice. Yeah. The houses, the cute little houses over there. Quite nice. Yeah. Right, so we've just been to Roe Green, got back on the loop, and we've come to the split now. Now to the left is the start of the Ellenbrook loop line, but we're going to go straight on, carrying along the Roe Green loop line. Following, keep going to Bolton that way. So get a few shots of these bridges. It's amazing. Just imagine that back in its day with it all being busy and things, and can't you, Mum? Yeah. Being busy and everything with trains, and it's beautiful. See up there, we've got Green Leach Lane. So I'm gonna stop for some lunch now. I think best place to stop.
We're gonna stop here, are we?
Yeah. So down back that way, you got down back towards Manchester. So. Walkden Road. So just outside Walkden Centre, aren't we? Wow, it's a nice bridge there, isn't it? And painting a nice colour, isn't it?
Yeah, it's to blend in nice, isn't it?
So we've just come to Walkden. So we've passed, started at Monton, gone through Roe Green. So we're now at Walkden. And you can still see the track, if I can call it the track running nice and straight, or the path running nice and straight. We're now approaching. To the left there is Parfall Park. When I did a vlog about a month ago. So there's Park Road above us. So we're going towards Walkden this way. So yeah, the bridge is Park Road Bridge. So we're approaching and this is the railway line going into Manchester. I think going to I've done some proper research about it, but I think it's going towards Liverpool that way. You see they're still doing some work on it. They was doing some work as I came down, but you can just see behind us now. See behind us. It's all the way in the distance, just down there. So yeah, there's our end destination at Little Hulton. There's the M6, the busy M61. Mum's knackered. So yeah, so if you went, there's Anchor Lane. So if you went right here, that'd take you to Bolton, where the Roe Green Loopline would end. So that's it, we've reached our destination. So we're at Little Hulton. So we reckon it took us about 2 hours. I know just on the other side of the M61 is the Royal Bolton Hospital. So we're gonna head back, and we're gonna head back to Monton. Yeah, so it's been a nice walk, hasn't it? Been a lovely walk, hasn't it? Yeah, it's been nice. It's been nice, been great. If you enjoyed today's video, click the subscribe button, tap the notification bell to never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching, see you next week.